Hello everyone, it is a windy, cold, rainy day outside of my window, but I'm already thinking about summer. I'm thinking about summer garments that I want to crochet for myself. I have two in mind. I want to make myself a lacy blouse and possibly a lacy dress. Here is the yarn that I ordered on Amazon for my summer garments. One of these yarns is Patterns Grace and the other one is Yarn Art Begonia. Both of these yarns are 100% mercerized cotton, and I have crocheted with both of them in the past. I'm really happy with the quality of these yarns, and that's why I chose these same yarns for my future summer garment projects. Each skein over here has 50 grams, so this is 300 grams in total, which should be enough for a size small lacy blouse. Now over here I have 500 grams in total, which hopefully will be enough for a lacy dress. I already know what kind of blouse I want to make. I'm gonna show you some pictures which are going to be my inspiration. I'm not going to copy any of these blouses, but this is the general idea. I want to make a blouse that will have a mix of motifs and lacy stitches. I don't have any clear idea for what kind of dress I would like to make. Maybe it will be a fitted dress or maybe a tunic. I'll think about that later. For now, all I can think about is the blouse that I want to make. So please wish me luck with my new project, and of course I will keep you updated.